Arutwo aya ere Anwar Busaka na John Odero marekinyirie thukuru-ini wa imwana wa Kanga mehumbite uniform darukangu o mundu na ithanduku riake.
Hizi viatu nilizo pesa ambazo nilikuwa napata nimenua
na otiga gibande gia thabuni mukinye murengeti na indo ingi ndare mathanduku maya hatire kindu kingi marakuite.
Hizi ni za kuchezea handball. Mimi nilicheza handball nikafika county level. Sasa nilikuwa naona niendelee na hii kipaji yangu ya kucheza handball na nilinunua hizi ili nitumie.
Hapa sitoki kwa sababu sina uwezo wa kurudi nyumbani. Nimekuja kwa Mungu na sina chochote jamani.
Arutwo aya matinehingiriria maithori magitariria oria family ciao igumirwo ni ukia munene na ona thengia ya kwigwatira max 396 na max 387 kirumaniririo gutirare na mwihoko wa gutwarithia na mbere mathomo.
Nimekuja hapa nataka nikitolewa sitatoka, ninataka kusoma angalau nikifika maishani nikimaliza kusoma nisaidie the community wenye kuna shida kama mimi.
So I saw it wise to come here myself so that whoever who can see for me sympathy can help me.
Nyota wao wa githomo ona kuhanura uguo ndungirarekire maikare mucie. Murutani munene wa thukuru uyu akiuga maramukirirwo o uria marokire akiuria andu a wendi mwega guteithiriria kuriha fithi yao.
We must just give them the basics items so that they start, and then we want to appeal for well wishers to support them, maybe pay school fees and sustain them in school.
Kaunti-ini ingi ta Naikuru MIHANG'O ino iratwarithirio na mbere o wega magana ma aciari makiandikithia arutwo ao kwambiriria githomo thiini wa thukuru cia secondary. Ona kuhanura uguo aciari ni maikitie mateta kumana na garama ya iguru ya indo ngurani iria irabatarania kuingiria arutwo thukuru.
We need to tighten our belts kama vitabu, uniforms. Najua pia wale wenye wanauza wanajua we need them and there is no option.
It's a tough time for the parents to prepare their learners, especially when they are transiting from one level to the other. We have some who have challenges, but at least they are trying to cope, at least to give their children better education.
Giki arikio kirathi kia muthia kia arutwo aria maraingira form 1 arugamiriri aingi a mathukuru ni mathiete na mbere na guteta kumana na namba nene ya arutwo makiuga gutire na irathi cia kuigana kumamukira. Kwa muhiano thukuru-ini wa Paul Boit uria uramukirire arutwo 100 makiria murutani munene akiuga marabatara irathi makiria.
And today so far we have received 174 students, and majority of them as they come in we have quite a number who are having challenges in payment of school fees.
Haduine hakameme TV jitagugina wa Wadiro.